Hello YouTube, Simply Cece here, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming today with a everyday get ready with me now featuring my Sisterlocks. I just figured I want to give you guys an update how I do my makeup every day or when I'm filming for YouTube or anything like that, and how I now manage and style my hair. Excuse my voice, I'm sounding real grown-manish, but I don't know why. I don't feel sick. I just sound grown-manish. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I transform myself from here to whatever I am after here, then just keep on watching. That's good. I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner pencil because, again, like this one has an arch and this one doesn't. As you can see, they're just different. So to make this arch, I'm gonna use black and then fill it in with my black brown pencil. And I'm using a black pencil from Grwm London as well. That's how different my arches are right now. I'm gonna do something different because I feel like in my pictures and on my videos, I've been looking back, some of them, I feel like I look too light because I don't put makeup on my forehead. So instead of going in with my Chestnut in L'Oreal Paris, that's what I usually use, I'm going to go in with Coffee to do under eyes, and we're just going to see. I am experimenting just a little bit, but my pictures and my makeup have just been bugging me, and I just think that means I need to do something different. I don't think this was it, but we're going to go with it. I mean, I guess they scoped it out. You guys, I fast forward through so much of this because this whole entire makeup application was a complete mess. Only by the grace of God did it come out looking anywhere near decent, if I'm honest. So that is why I'm not talking about what I'm doing, because again, I am not a makeup artist. I am trying to learn. I know you only get better by trying. So this is what this was. This was trial and error, and me recognizing mistakes, trying new things, and figuring out what not to do next time and what I should do next time. I feel like I look like a mud pie. Okay, lashes on. I actually love the way they look on camera, but they are so big. We are done with the makeup. Looks pretty neutral. All of that to look like this. Was it worth it? Okay guys, I am back. So let's get into my hair. I wanted to do this because I had to learn to do this, and I don't know who may be watching this who just got sister locks. Are you thinking about it? Your hair's short. So when I wake up in the morning and I take my stuff off, I look like this. Facts. And I've had my bonnet on for like 2 days straight now. So all I'm gonna use on my hair is some water in a spray bottle, some Eco Styler gel, just a little bit, and just some bobby pins. So I'm gonna use some like this. Start off, I'm going to just mist some water on my hairline. One of the things she told me was not to put a lot of oils and things on my hair and things that can cause buildup. So I haven't been using anything, and like I said, I use gel because it's lighter than edge controls to me. I'm gonna take a little dot of my castor oil. And I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. And I'm getting just a little bit too, like a little bit, and I want this to this comb right here, and I'm going to any of the, I have to sneeze. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it a little bit more water, because now what I'm gonna do is, like, these hairs that couldn't fit before, I'm just going to comb coil them. So I just grab any of those hairs and I just twist and pull just a little bit. It's just what I do. So then when my locks, you know, come down, it kind of camouflages that these aren't really locks. So then when I kind of take my fingers through it, you know, see, it kind of blends all in. That's my secret. I'm gonna go on this side and we're gonna do the same thing. Then hairpins come in. So I decide how I want it. First thing I do is grab like a few hairs from the front here, like from this front row. Try to just get this front row. So it's like that one. These, maybe this one. Hold on. I can't see y'all. Right, like this. So I want to take these for starter locks. And I'm going to lay them this way. I have to sneeze and one cut out. And I'm gonna use my hairpin to lay them down and basically make them fall towards my face like that. And then take my hand through the rest like that. Honestly, guys, I just play around with it until I like the way it looks, and I pin it the way that I'm most pleased with. I am aware that on the video, the hairpins seem to show up a lot, but in person, you cannot see them since we don't have the bright light shining on us. And sometimes I just use the hairpins just to temporarily hold it. And by the time I'm ready to get on with my day, I can pull them out because the hair is now trained to stay in the position that I laid it in. This is how we're wearing it today. Let's get on our outfit. And guys, never mind my house shoes. I put the filas next to it because if I was actually leaving the house, that's what I would have worn. But even though this is a full get ready with me, I am not going anywhere. I'm going to be working in my house and recording videos for YouTube. So I want to thank you all for watching. Come back to my channel. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. I love you, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.